Okay, today we will solve some numerical related to electric current and electric charge. Okay, so we should know formula for electric current. Okay, what is formula for electric current? That is I equal to Q upon T. Okay, and what is formula for Q? What is formula for charge? Formula for charge? You don't know? Yes. You know the concept of electric charge? Then we will find the formula for electric charge here. What is concept of electric charge? Electric charge is generated in any body by transfer of an electron. If we transfer an electron from any body, then it will acquire charge. I explained this thing in my previous video. I give a brief explanation about that, about electric charge again. This is a body, this is a scale, and this is neutral body. When we rub this body, then it acquires charge. Okay? When we rub this body, it acquires charge. In what method? It transfer electron from its surface, and if it will transfer electron from its surface, then definitely it will acquire charge. Okay, so the basic thing about charge, it comes from friction also. Suppose we have a glass rod and we have a silk cloth. Suppose this is a glass rod and this is a silk cloth. When we rub glass rod with silk, at first glass rod is neutral, silk is neutral. But when we rub this glass rod with silk and another glass rod and another silk, when we rub this also, then what we find? We find that both the glass rods, when we rub with silk and after that we come close to these two glass rods, these glass rods repel each other. Okay, it means that in each case they acquire charge. Okay, so any body acquire charge by transfer an electron. Okay, so from this basic thing we can find formula for electric charge also. Electric charge is just because of electron, transferring of electron. Okay, transferring of electrons, how many electrons will be transferred there? It may be 1 electron, it may be 2 electrons, or it may be 3 electrons. Okay, so formula for electric charge is Q equal to N into E, and this N will be number of electrons. It may be 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4, so on. Okay, so this will be the formula for electric charge. You will remember this formula always. Q equal to N into E. And what is E here? E is charge on an electron. And what is the value of charge on an electron? This is the elementary particle, and its charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. You know this thing? Yeah, we have discussed in our previous video that charge on an electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and the nature of this charge is negative. And what is charge on proton? That is same 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, but its nature is positive. Okay, very nice. Okay, then from this we have two formula. One formula about electric current, that is I equal to Q upon T, and we have another formula that is Q equal to N into E. Okay, from these two formula we will use these formulas for our numeric section. Okay, then we will start some numerical related to these two phenomena. Okay. Okay, I am writing these formulas here. Okay, in top, Q equal to N into E and I equal to Q upon T. Okay, now at first I solve one question, and this is very important question. this question is also in your NCERT textbook, that in 1 coulomb of charge, how many electrons are there? In 1 coulomb of charge, I will send these questions also to you. In 1 coulomb of charge, how many electrons are there? Can you find this one? This is first numerical. Try to solve this question. In 1 coulomb of charge, how many electrons are there? Okay. So in this question, we have Q. Q equal to 1 coulomb. As we know, this is electric charge and coulomb is SI unit of charge. Okay. So in this question, we have to find how many number of electrons. Okay. Then we will use this formula, Q equal to N into E. We have Q equal to 1 coulomb. We have to find N into E. We have E. We should know what is the value on charge of an electron. That is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Okay. From here I can find N. N equal to 1 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay. Now I will solve this one. 10 to the power minus 19 will go up and it will become 10 to the power plus 19 upon it will be 1.6. Okay, for solving this, I can do this thing that is 100 into 10 to the power 17. I can do this upon 1.6. Okay, I can do this thing also. This is become 16 and this become 1000 into 10 to the power 70. Now I can divide this 1000 upon 16. That will be it will come 6.6 into 10 to the power 18 number of electrons. Okay, we can solve this one like that. You will solve this. You can solve this value and you will find this one. Okay, what should be unit for that N? This is N. This is number of electrons. So no unit. You will write like that. 6.6 into 10 to the power 18 number of electrons will be here. Good. Okay, now, okay, again, look at this question. We have charge, that is 1 coulomb. We have to find number of electron in this case. Okay, we have formula Q equal to N into E. In this question, we have Q equal to 1 coulomb. And we know this value we will memorize. The charge on an electron, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. We put 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 in place of E. Then we can find the value of small n. That is, we will divide it and we will get our answer. Very good. Now, next question you will solve like this. Now we will solve another question. Okay, listen. This question is a current of 5 ampere. Okay, in this question we have a current of 5 ampere. That is 5 ampere flow through a circuit for 15 minutes. Okay, this current flows through a circuit for 15 minutes. Okay, then what is he saying? He is saying that calculate the amount of charge. Calculate the amount of charge. We have to find Q that flow through the circuit during this time. Okay, so in this question we have I, we have T, we have to find Q. Okay, now we have two formula, Q equal to NE and we have I equal to Q upon T. So we will use this formula. Okay, what is formula for electric current? I equal to Q upon T. Then place all the values here. In place of I, we will put value 5 ampere. What about Q? We don't know. What about T? Okay, this is very important. In this question, we have time T equal to 15 minutes. Okay, in this question, we have electric current I equal to 5 ampere. Okay, then we will look at unit. What is SI unit of electric current? This is ampere. This is okay. No problem in that. And what is SI unit of time? SI unit of time is second. Then we will convert this minute into second. Okay. How? 15 into 60. It will become 900 seconds. Got it? Okay. Now no problem. we have I equal to 5 ampere, Q we have to find out, and what about time? Time is 900 seconds. Then solve this one. We will get Q equal to 900 into 5. It will be 4500. That is Coulomb. This is your answer of this question. Very nice. Okay, so we can find value of charge or value of an electron by using these two formula. Okay, now we do another question. We do another question now. Okay, solve this one also in your copy. A TV set shoots out a beam of electron. Okay, the beam current is 10 microampere. Okay, in this question we have current is 10 microampere. You will write what is the given thing there. Okay, in this question he has given us about electric current, and the value of electric current in this question is 10 microampere. Okay, next he is saying that if such a current is maintained for 1 hour, find the net flow of charge. If such a current is maintained for 1 hour, it means that he has given us time also, 1 hour. Find the net flow of charge. Okay, in this condition we have to find charge also. Okay, now we will do the same thing here. Now this is very important thing for you. He has given us value of electric current, that is 10 microampere. He has given us about time, that is 1 hour. Okay, we have to find the electric charge. Then what formula will we use here? This one, I equal to Q upon T. No problem. Okay, we will use this formula, I equal to Q upon T. Got it? Okay, in this formula we should have I and T. Okay, it is, and we have to find Q. But in this question, what about this unit? What is SI unit of electric current? That is ampere, but this is not ampere, this is microampere. We have discussed also in our video that electric current has also its smaller units like milliampere and microampere. And in 1 milliampere there are 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Okay, and in 1 microampere there is 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. I should write it here also. You should write it. Okay, 1 milliampere equal to 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. And 1 microampere, that is 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. Okay, then we can convert it into ampere. So 10 microampere, 10 into microampere will convert into ampere by multiplying 10 to the power minus 6. That is 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. Now next, what about time? Time is 1 hour. We can convert it into second. Okay, how? In 1 hour there are 60 into 60 seconds. Now no problem. We have electric current and its SI unit is ampere here, and we have time also and its SI unit is second here. Then we will put both values here and we will find value of charge. Okay, then I equal to Q upon T. What is value of I? We know 10 into 10 to the power minus 6. What about charge? We have to find it. That is Q upon T. We have T also. 60 into 60. Okay, then find Q. Q equal to 10 into 60 into 60 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, now we can solve this one and we will get our answer. Okay, so solve this first and tell me what is the answer of this question. Tell me, 6 are 36, 1, 2, 3 0 are there, into 10 to the power minus 6. It means that 10 to the power minus 6 Coulomb. You can write like it. This is your answer. 10 to the power minus 6. This is your answer in this question. Okay, you can write it also in standard form. How can you do this thing? You can solve this one also. Okay, then convert it into standard form. Okay. Okay, this is your answer of this question. You can write this is in standard form also. Okay, you can write. If you can write, then write first. And what is answer? Give me in comment. Okay, that is 3.6 into that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 2, that will be minus 2 coulomb. Yes or not? You will solve this one and you will give answer. This answer is also right. This answer is also right. No problem in that. Very good. Thank you.